What's going on, traders? Welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be covering AMC and GameStop and what we expect headed into Monday of next week, which is going to be a pretty epic week. If you guys do find any value in live technical analysis, live questions on your tickers being answered, make sure to hit the subscribe button and take action because we go live every single day, Monday through Friday at market open. So without further ado, let's hop right in. So guys, first and foremost, some good news for GameStop. Video games sales hit a new monthly record back in February of 4.6 billion. And I think video game sales are still going to be increasing due to the Steamy, which is coming through over the weekend via electronic deposit. As early as today, somebody in our live stream said they got hit today with a Steamy. So I expect a lot of new money coming into the stock market. Let me know if you're going to be buying some more GameStop AMC, not just GameStop and AMC, maybe any other stocks, maybe some Tesla. I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Now, but for the meat of the video, here it is. The Fintel numbers are being very, very much in questionable territory. Why? Because there has been a drastic jump. There has been that vibe that the squeeze is done. It's game over. Why? There is a huge jump in the short shares available for AMC. We're back in the 4.9 million territory. We hit lows of 0 on AMC, if I'm not mistaken, a couple weeks ago. So, but one thing I want you to keep in mind, guys, is these hedge funds, they're just like you and me, man. They're human beings. They're emotional creatures and make mistakes. I wouldn't have doubt that there might be a connection with Fintel and them. They know we use these sources. They know we go on iBar Desk. They know we go on Fintel. They hop in Reddit. They know we're there. If you think, put yourself in their shoes, would you not do the same thing? I definitely would. So with the number of short shares available going up drastically into the millions and the bar rate literally dropping under 1% for a GameStop, AMC as of 40 minutes ago, it is back at 1.97. We hit highs of the fee. I think it was like 14% according to Fintel. But here are some screenshots that I found online of other brokers. I think this is Fidelity, if I'm not mistaken, showing 15%. I don't have that screenshot with me right now, but it was around 15%. I'm pretty sure you guys saw that as well. And someone else posted the screenshot here of AMC being hard to borrow. I decided to reach out to Think or Swim TD Ameritrade myself, and I asked, is it hard to borrow? They said yes, AMC is a hard to borrow stock. I do not believe the Fintel data, and this just proves to me that it's not true. And I do think the fee is not 1%. Obviously, they might be around the 15-20%. S3, we had the tweet from last week saying that AMC shorts were coming in at 20%. We'll show you a tweet they put out right now as well that pretty much confirms that they are still bullish on the squeeze happening. But even Fintel themselves, guys, they state that their data isn't absolutely 100%. I misspelled data here. That their data isn't 100% accurate. I'll read to you what they say. They say, let's go scroll up. It does not include data from other brokerages or dark pools. It is a small sample and it is useful for tracking the rise and fall in demand of shares throughout the days and weeks. It should be treated as it should not be treated as an absolute number of shares that are available to short in the market. So there you go. Then in themselves, they said it. I believe they also replied on Twitter that they pretty much, it's not always true. So look out on their Twitter for Fintel. But another thing is Ortex. Take a look at that utilization rate. It's still 96%. It is still very much in that high territory, coming down from 100% a couple days ago. So the next biggest catalyst, guys, for GameStop and AMC is the congressional hearing, which is most likely going to affect GameStop. But keep in mind, GameStop and AMC are tied together. They trade together. So anything that happens with GameStop is going to affect AMC. The congressional hearing is on Wednesday, March 17. Of course, we are going to be live streaming all of that. So don't miss out. Hit and subscribe. GameStop earnings, my guess is we see a very strong push into GameStop earnings like we did on AMC. That's my plan. We'll go over some technical analysis right now. Any new company updates on GameStop, guys, is going to send the stock up. Any slight positive guidance we get from Ryan Cohen, any company updates, any business strategy change, it's going to send the stock up. AMC on March 19 next Friday, we talked about it. LA is opening up. You know where to catch me next Friday, baby. AMC theaters watching the movie. Let's go over some technical analysis here. But before we do that, let's go over S3's tweet on Twitter. He says, let me correct my typo. Both Jimmy and AMC have a 10 score in the squeeze score rating scale. It's their own rating scale. Somebody asked how they go about this, and he didn't want to reveal. But he says Jimmy is a bit more crowded at 6.25, while AMC is at 5.25. They themselves said yesterday they're very bullish on the squeeze. As for GameStop, we still have this pretty decent ascending triangle here, headed with some resistance right around the whole number of 300, which we almost tested, and some support right around 260s. For AMC, we have some support right around 1050. After this pretty strong push here above 11, we closed above 11. That's such a huge win in my books. And some resistance at the whole $0.50 mark here at 11.50. It seems like every 5 cents or so on AMC, guys, we have some slight resistance. So also one pattern I've noticed on AMC and GME is that there usually is a dip midday. These short attacks, we come back and pull midday. That's usually when we end the stream and we come back live power hour. And when we come back, it recovers. I've noticed that pattern. So watch those patterns headed into Monday. I'm very excited for Monday. So Monday, if we do have futures, we're going live on Sunday. Futures open up here at 3 p.m. on Sunday. If we do see a gap up and that strength apparent headed into Monday on the futures on Sunday, there might be another gap up here on AMC and GameStop, which we hope for. So that pretty much concludes this video. Once again, if you found this video of any value, of any help, make sure to slap a like, leave a comment down below, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Peace out.